Category 2, washroom equipment and detergent, is a very wide category with almost 50 entries this year. That's important, and the trends are sustainability, profitability, and security and safety for the operator. And we noticed that the high level of the entries and the nominees depends on the add value for services, for people using the product and the equipment, but also for the end user and the resident in the building. They use the products.
Today I'm going to introduce to you the zero waste cleaning concept. The product is based on circular concept of reduce, reuse and recycle.
That you save up to 80% plastic waste. The pouch is made of 100% PE monomaterial, and with the refilling option you have the opportunity to refill the original bottles with the pouch. So you extend the product life cycle.
The Hermes Vacatronic is a useful equipment for facade cleaning or graffiti removal. It is a vacuum sled which is attached to the wall and collects the wastewater from cleaning. The added value of the product is that it collects roughly 100% of the wastewater and that the wastewater does not seep into the ground.
The product is the solar system by TWT, and it's an instant impregnation system for mops. So it's a new way for cleaning mops, impregnating them just before their use. This way, increasing the effectiveness against the dirt, against the bacteria, and it's a big improvement compared with the traditional pre-impregnation, where the mops are impregnating before they use.